Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change your date of birth on Instagram account, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can change your date of birth on Instagram account very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application and then click on your profile picture on bottom right corner. After that, click on three lines on top right corner and then click on settings and privacy. After that, click on account center and then click on personal settings in account setting. Click on personal setting and here you can see your date of birth. So click on it and here it will show all your accounts you have logged in. So you have to select the account in which you want to change the date of birth. For example, I have selected same date of birth in all accounts, so I click on edit and here you can select any date of birth that you want. Okay, so for example I have selected this date of birth, so click on set and then click on save and then click on confirm. So guys, you can see our date of birth on Instagram has been changed successfully. In this way you can change your date of birth on Instagram as well as Facebook account very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.